Okay, in this video I want to share with you how to access your Sound Money wallet, and then also how to transfer the money from your Sound Money wallet into your bank account. Okay, so what you're going to do is when you're on in your back office on your profile, you go to the My Account tab, scroll down to the Sound Money wallet, and then here it's going to actually show you the current market prices for gold and silver, but also any money that you have in your Sound Money wallet that is actually not dispersed into silver or gold. This is actually where you can actually change it from cash to silver or gold. So these are your options here. But in this case here, what I want to do is I want to transfer it to my bank account. So what we're going to do here is, in this case here, there's a security code. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to scan this with my phone. Okay, because that's part of the thing is you should have the 7K Wealth app downloaded to your phone, whether it's an Android or an iPhone. In this case here, I have my Android. And so what I'm going to do is you have to have the Google Authenticator on your Android phone, okay? And then there's an option for you to scan the QR code. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to do that here. Okay. So in this case here, I'm going to put in the code that it has, and it's a 6-digit code with a space in the middle. And let's see. Okay, so then what it's going to do, it's got verified. So let's see. Transfer. Okay, so in this case here, it shows it'll actually give you your Sound Money wallet and transfer from select an original account. So in this case here, we're going to select an original account. I'm not sure why it's showing that because I don't have that available. So anyways, I'm going to choose this account for the transfer. Okay, let's go with this, and transfer from check cash balance. So in this case here, I'm not sure why it's showing that anyways. I'm not sure, maybe it's like a maximum that you can do or something. I think that is a maximum that you can do in a day. So anyways, select an originating account. So we're going to take it from the cash balance, and then we're going to select it to in this case here, you can do silver balance. You can transfer it to your silver or your gold or another member. So in this case here, like if you had a family member or something, or a relative or somebody that you wanted to transfer money to, you can do that. And that's perfectly fine to do that. There's also the pay quicker option. There's also the checking account that you might have on file, or else you can have mail me a check. Okay, in this case here, I'm just going to do the checking account, and I'm going to do the. Let's do, what did I have, 7005? I'm going to pause this a second real quick, okay? Okay, so in this case here, there is a $5 processing fee, and that's just part of what it is. Okay, so in this case here, it's not really that much of it, but this is something also that I want to point out to you. Keep track of all this information as you're doing stuff for your taxes. So like if you're building this as a business or something where you're actually getting compensated for it, and which you will in fact have to claim taxes on, make sure you keep track of all this information. As far as like in this case here, when you transferred money, this was how much it cost and this was your fees, because I'm not 100% sure from an accounting standpoint what is deductible and what is not on your taxes, but this is something to definitely keep in mind. So in this case here, we got the cash balance. We're transferring to a checking account. We're doing the dollar amount, and there's a $5 processing fee. So I had like a little over $70 in my account. So in this case here, I'm just going to transfer the 65, and voila. So it took the so I had $70.05. So it took the $65 out. It transferred it to my banking account. There was a $5 fee. And so there's like 5 cents left over. Okay. So like in the next case here, whenever I have another, where I earn passively from 7K from sharing this great opportunity with everybody. That money will show up in here. Like I have a pending one here. Once it comes out of the pending status, it'll show up here in the cash amount, and you would just go through the same process. So you're gonna have to have the Google Authenticator installed on your phone, whether it's an iPhone or Android, and then when it asks you to scan the phone or scan the barcode, you go and scan it. It'll give you a code on your phone. You go and type in that number and then just hit enter, and then it'll take you up to that screen where I showed you. So hopefully it seemed a little bit, this is the very first time I did it, so you all did it with me the very first time. So I hope you got some information from this. And if you need to watch it again once or twice, that's fine. Or if you need to reach out to me, you can at rick@silverandgoldsolutions.org, or just, that's probably the best bet, or else to go through the Silver and Gold Solutions website, and you can actually hit me up on the contact page there as well. Okay, so I appreciate your time, and I hope you got some good insight from this video, and we'll talk to you again soon. Take care. Bye.